1, this is Overlord. How copy?
Take this and stay down! Place down! Ramirez! Last mag! Make it count! Get it! Ammo check! There's too many of them! Sound off! 80 meters! Got it!
Tracer! 3 rounds left!
Corporal! Hey!
Oh, shit.
Defend this position!
Come in, SAT-1. This is ISS Control. Houston's requesting a feed from your helmet cam, over. They want you to look over towards the dark side of the Earth. It should be cresting the horizon about 15 degrees east of the starboard PV arrays. SAT-1, rotate your view a little further to the right, will you? There it is. We're getting your feet, SAT-1. Come in, Houston. Are you getting this?
Copy that, ISS. Video feed from SAT-1 is clear. SAT-1, keep tracking the bogey. We're looking into it. Stand by.
Houston, we're not scheduled for any satellite launches today, are we?
ISS Houston, stand by. We may have a problem here.
Houston, this is ISS.
What the hell are we gonna do now, man? Russians got us outnumbered. Shit's falling from the sky. We're screwed, man. We're
Shut up.
totally hooped.
Get a grip, Corporal. Our weapons still work, which means we can still kick some ass, what?
They're here.
You going out there? Are you nuts?
It's over. Come on. We still have a water fight.
What the hell happened here? Oh, man, it's quiet.
Is your red dot working? Mine's out.
Mine's down too. This is weird, bro.
Looks like optics are down.
Wow.
Comms, too.
Check it out, man.
There's not even a street light for blocks. Ah, damn it. All right. We gotta regroup with whoever's left out there. Corporal Dunn, take point.
Whoa.
The proper response is Texas, soldier. What do you got?
Colonel Marshall's assembling a task force at Whiskey Hotel. You guys need to keep heading north. So where are you going then? Tell everyone else. Get to Whiskey Hotel. Go!
You heard the man. Let's go.
clear. I got our 6.
Copy that.
Star.
There's the Eisenhower building. Whiskey Hotel's on the other side.
Oh, man, we gotta go out there.
Done. Check for vitals. We'll cover you.
No, he's a goner. He's a gunner.
Keep quiet. Got a visual on 3 tangos.
Stay low. Move into position.
Clear shot.
Мы вас вытащим! Не поддается!
Move up.
What about those guys inside?
What about?
Got our 6. Go.
Clear.
I don't know what's worse, man. Dodging falling helicopters or freezing my ass in this monsoon.
Quiet. I think I see something. Hold your fire.
Are they friendly?
I don't know.
Star!
Cover me.
Star!
Say Texas, damn it. Say it.
Лейтенант, мне нужно слово какие-то.
Watch the movement. Move up.
Feet dry.
Cut the chatter. Ramirez, take point.
Whoa, check out the seal on this door. I thought the president's bunker was under the west wing.
No, that's just for tourists. This must be the real thing. Open it up.
Real or not, man, this place is history. Hope they got out in time.